So the problem with the new Google Sites is they haven't put enough features in to format text. In other words, hello, return, HELLO. It goes to a paragraph instead of a line. Now typically what you would do is, and you would hit Shift Enter, and it would do a line space, just single space, but it doesn't. So the only way at this time, Google said that they're going to add that like it's in classic sites, but the only way now is you got to go to an HTML editor. This is one at htmleditor.tools, or you can use Dreamweaver or whatever. But here, if I go HELLO and hit Shift Enter, it does a line space, HELLO, and it provides the HTML over here. So it'll change, you can change the format to different headers or whatever. You can bold, all that's obvious stuff there, or you can even insert a picture, whatever. But that's how you get double space or single space, is by doing that. And then you copy your HTML code here, go back to your site and go to embed and click over embed code, paste your HTML in. It'll give you a little preview, and you see you have your single space. Insert it and move it around that you want to do whatever you want to do. So that's the only way at this time to do that. Thanks.